This is a 2004 Ford F-150. Strong, durable, and dependable. It features a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a moonroof, cruise control, front and rear reading lights, 4 well-positioned speakers, a leather interior, a double wishbone independent front suspension, alloy wheels, an anti-lock braking system, a sliding rear window, and this vehicle has fewer than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Simi Valley Ford is dedicated to do everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. You can contact us at 805-583-0333. Come see the Ford man at Simi Valley Ford.